It's a hurricane warning. This is not a test. The name of the hurricane is Hurricane Sam. Hurricane Sam will hit the following provinces: North Brookhaven, North Livetopia, South Livetopia and Biloxi City. All residents of these areas are advised to stay at home until this hurricane has passed. Pack non-perishable food, water, batteries, battery-powered radio, flashlight, medicine kit and a first aid kit. Please don't go outside until all clear has given. Thank you for listening to this alert. We will now continue normal programming.